Hello all, I am Sonal Shreya and today I'll be demoing my project CertPilot AI, which is a local first multi-agent certification readiness coach built for reasoning agents challenge. The problem I'm solving is that the organizations often struggle to track employee certification readiness. Learners need personalized study plans, and managers need safe, high level visibility into readiness risk without exposing sensitive personal data. So let's talk about the project. The project overview is that CertPilot AI uses a multi-agent workflow with 5 specialized agents. These are the learning path curator agent. It recommends skills and learning areas. Second is the study plan generator agent. It creates a practical study schedule using recommended hours and focus time. Then is the engagement agent that adapts reminders based on workload signals. Then we have the assessment agent. It checks readiness and generates practical questions. Then at the end, we have the manager insight agent that summarizes risk and next steps. This demo uses only synthetic data, no real employee data, no customer data, no credentials, and no personally identifiable information at all. Okay, now let me walk you through the architecture of our application. Here we have the architecture diagram. So this project is designed with a Microsoft Foundry ready architecture. In the free local MVP, I simulate Microsoft IQ concepts through 3 layers. The Foundry IQ style local grounding layer. It uses synthetic markdown documents as approved knowledge sources, a work IQ inspired context layer. It uses synthetic meeting hours, focus hours, and preferred study times. And then we have the Fabric IQ inspired semantic model, which connects roles and certifications. And it recommends the hours readiness thresholds. The retrieval module is intentionally modular so that it can be later replaced with Microsoft Foundry or Foundry IQ when Azure Access is available. I'd like to show you a local demo of my agents. So this is what the page looks like. For example, here I have the role. I'm selecting the cloud engineer. Then I have the certification I want to see. I have the employee ID for the data saved. And this is the average practice score, and this is the hours I studied. If I try to run the multi-agent flow, the app calculates a readiness score and gives a readiness status. In this case, the learner is not fully ready because the practice score is below 75% target, and the study hours are also slightly below recommended certification hours. So here what happened is that the learning path curator agent, it recommends the key skill for AZ204 certificate, such as API development, Azure functions, storage, and authentication. Then we have the study plan generator agent. It creates a practical plan based on the remaining study hours and available focus times. Then the engagement agent, it looks at the synthetic work context. Since this learner has high meeting hours and limited focus time, it recommends lighter reminders and more realistic blocks. Then we have the assessment agent that generates a practice question and explains readiness. And in the end, we have the manager insight agent that gives a privacy conscious summary that a manager could use to support the learner, such as protecting focus time or review like weak areas. Just to mention again, like I've used it is defined to be safe and transparent. It uses only synthetic data and no PII. CertPilot AI demonstrates how reasoning agents can collaborate across learning path, planning, workload aware scheduling, readiness assessment, and manager insights. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.